How to connect a PS4 controller to any Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your PS4 controller to your Android phone so that then you can play games with it such as Fortnite, Pubg, COD Mobile, things like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply put our PS4 controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, all we need to do is hold down the PlayStation button and the share button until the light at the top starts blinking. So once it's blinking, that's in Bluetooth pairing mode. For mine, the battery's a little old, so I just need to plug it in so that it stays in pairing mode and actually connects. Once our PS4 controller is in Bluetooth pairing mode, open the settings on your Android phone and then select Connected Devices and then Pair New Device. It'll then start searching and you should see either wireless controller or PS4 wireless controller, something like that. Give it some time. If for some reason you don't see wireless controller or anything referencing PS4, check to see if the controller is still in Bluetooth pairing mode or that it hasn't connected to another device. So I'm going to select wireless controller, confirm you want to pair, and as you can see, as soon as I connect, the controller will turn blue, signifying that it is Bluetooth connected to another device. Then once it's connected, you'll be able to control games on your Android phone using your PS4 controller. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.